Here's something you can do to make your computer boot faster. Right-click on the bottom of the taskbar and click Task Manager. The Task Manager window will open. At the top, just click the Startup tab. Once you are there, you will be able to see all of the different programs that starts when your computer boots up. You can do what I did and sort it by a startup impact from high to low. You can go ahead and choose whichever one that you don't want to boot up. Just make sure that it is something that is not crucial. In this example, I will just go ahead and choose Intel Driver and Support Assistant, and I will disable that. Alright, once you disable what you need to, you just go ahead and continue doing what you have to do on your computer, and the next time you boot up, you will notice that it boots up a lot quicker. Stay happy.